With developments in technology, smartwatches have now become more advanced, and as a result, there has been a competitive rivalry between two giants in the tech industry, Samsung and Apple, as they have their premier offerings. In this comparison review, we discuss Apple's two upcoming watches, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra. While the Galaxy Watch has already been released, the Apple Ultra 3 is anticipated to release sometime in 2025. Let's break down their differences in simple terms to help you understand what makes each watch special. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra has a robust construction that incorporates titanium from the aerospace industry as well as a unique cushioned impact-absorbing case design. It features sapphire crystal glass, which makes it pretty much impossible for scratches to form. The watch comes in various styles, including marine, trail, and peak form, each suited for the respective activity. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 will likely have the same titanium case measuring 49 mm. However, new dark titanium color option may be introduced that has been in the works for some time but never entered production. It will not have drastic appearance changes, but the display bezel will continue to have a distinct height to protect its display. Apple will retain 3 microphones in the case for optimal sound quality. According to some sources, minor comfort enhancements may characterize Apple's Ultra 3. Extreme conditions are what both watches endure when they are in use. Samsung's watch can function within a temperature range of 4F to 131F, and at heights as high as 29,527 Ft, whilst also providing up to 10 ATM of water resistant. Ultra series models from Apple also protect well against such outer elements, although numbers for the Ultra 3 version are yet to be disclosed. These smartwatches have some advanced technology inside. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is packed with what they say is their most powerful Exynos W1000 chip, which makes it super fast and responsive. It also has a special bioactive sensor that helps you keep track of your health by measuring heart rate, blood pressure, and other important body signals. This sensor is great for people who want to stay on top of their fitness and health goals. Another standout feature is the dual-frequency GPS, which means it can track your location more accurately than before, even in places where regular GPS might not work as well. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or walking in a busy city, this GPS can help you know exactly where you are. The battery is also really impressive, lasting up to 60 hours with normal use, which means you won't have to worry about charging it every day. If you switch to power-saving mode, the battery can last up to 100 hours, making it perfect for long trips or busy days when charging isn't an option. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to come with a new S10 chip, which would be an upgrade from the S9 chip that the current version has. This new chip could make the watch run even faster and allow it to do more with AI, making it smarter and more efficient at understanding what you need. While there isn't any confirmed information about the battery life just yet, experts believe it should at least match the battery life of the current Apple Watch Ultra. So, it is expected to last around 36 hours of normal use and up to 72 hours in low-power mode. This makes it a reliable option for people who don't want to charge their watch too often. Apple is also reportedly working on new screen technology that uses less energy, which would help make the battery last even longer. This could be a big advantage for users who need their watch to stay powered for longer periods, like when traveling or using it for outdoor activities. Both of these smartwatches come with great features designed for people who care about their health and fitness. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra runs on Galaxy AI, which assists you with helpful tips and insights about wellness. One of the most interesting ones is the energy score, which analyzes important metrics such as sleep, heart rate, and daily activities to determine how ready the body is for exercise. This means that you can maximize your training opportunities and the time you need for recovery without much hassle. The watch includes cycling-specific features such as estimating your power level during rides, which may be of relevance to professional cyclists who want to raise their performance. It keeps a record of many types of workouts, including running, swimming, as well as participating in triathlons, which makes it suitable for enthusiasts that practice various activities. The anticipated improvements in the Apple Watch Ultra 3 are some that very many users will appreciate. One such improvement would be to have blood pressure monitoring. This will not give numerical figures, though. However, this is very beneficial to healthcare in general. Another intriguing feature is sleep apnea detection, which might spare users from wasting time and money on unnecessary medical appointments. The new Watch Ultra 3 might come with watchOS 11 and a new application called Vitals that is designed to help users keep track of their health and other associated information more easily. More Smart Stack widgets will also be available for Smart Stacks that will be useful in displaying key information on the wrist of the user. Increasing the AI performance of the device could also speed up its use, but not all details have been communicated by Apple. When it comes to price, Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra is currently available at $649.99, while the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to start at $799 when it launches in 2025. When it comes to seeking suitable options right now, Samsung takes the lead with its Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung's strong design, extended battery, and fitness versatility make it a suitable gadget for both fitness enthusiasts as well as normal users. Thanks to the incorporation of Galaxy, AI better recommendations are provided for every single activity, and the range of bands can be changed according to different tasks and preferences. Available and reliable devices are proven, and Samsung cooperates to provide an offer on smartwatches that works. So far, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 manages to entice its audience, as it is presented as being in development, but other features are uncertain. Advanced options such as monitoring blood pressure and detecting sleep apnea will be very useful additions, but still are in the works. Those users who already have a specific purpose for a smartwatch will not normally prefer to wait for those possible untouched enhancements. So, that was all about the Samsung Watch Ultra vs Apple Watch 3 Ultra. Thanks for watching.